Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th and subject looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 16. Chapter name is A Busy Month. Main 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the question number 1. Which of the following birds builds a nest inside a house? A. Parrots, B. Sparrows, C. Crows, and D. Doves. Answer is option B. Sparrows. Number 2. Which bird does not build a nest? A. A pigeon, B. A weaver bird, C. A cuckoo, and D. A crow. Answer is option C. A cuckoo. Cuckoo does not build a nest. Number 3. What do birds do to their eggs after laying them? A. They water the eggs. B. They give them milk. C. They put them out in the sun. And D. They incubate them. Answer is option D. They incubate them. Number 4. Which bird builds a nest in a space in the middle of stones? A. A crow. B. An Indian robin. C. A pigeon. And D. A sparrow. Answer is option B. An Indian robin. Number 5. Which bird sings very sweetly? A. A cuckoo. B. A parrot. C. A pigeon. And D. A weaver bird. Answer is option A. A cuckoo. Number 6. Which bird weaves a beautiful nest? A. A parrot. B. A weaver bird. C. A dove. D. A peacock. Answer is option B. A weaver bird. Number 7. Which bird has a red beak? A. A parrot. B. A pigeon. C. A cuckoo. And D. An Indian robin. Answer is option A. A parrot. Now main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. The blanks bird stitches leaves to make its nest. Answer is tailor bird. Number 2. The blanks bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. Answer is barbet bird. Number 3. A cuckoo put its eggs in the nest of a blanks. Answer is a crow. A cuckoo put its egg in the nest of a crow. Number 4. A blanks builds its nest high up on a tree. Answer is crow. A crow built its nest high up on a tree. Number 5. The blanks is our national bird. Answer is a peacock. The peacock is our national bird. Number 6. The bird that makes the sound of goo goo is the pigeon. Number 7. The woodpecker is a bird that makes holes in a tree trunks to catch insects for its food. Now see the next page. Main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. A peacock has a crest on its head. Answer is a true. Right. Number 2. A sparrow built its nest in the hollow of a tree. False. Wrong. Number 3. A crow's nest is made up of twigs, bits of grass and piece of paper. True. Right. Number 4. Birds build nest before laying eggs. True. Right. Number 5. The parrot is our national bird. False. Wrong. Number 6. The claws of a duck's feet are joined with web like a skin. True. Right. Number 7. A squirrel's teeth keep on growing all through its life. True. Right. Now see the main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. See the column A. First of all, we will see the column A. Number 1, a tailor bird. Number 2, a peacock. 3, a pigeon. Fourth one, a cuckoo. Now see the column B. A. Lays eggs in another nest. B. Makes a nest in an empty house. C. Makes a nest high up on a tree. D. Colorful feathers. E. Stitches leaves to make a nest. Now see a tailor bird. A tailor bird match with the option E. Stitches leaves to make a nest. A peacock. Colorful feathers. Number 3. A pigeon. B. makes a nest in an empty house? So B. Cuckoo. A cuckoo lays eggs in another's nest. A. Now see main 5. Answer the following questions as asked. Number 1. Give 2 names of each as asked. Birds that feed on insects and grains, that are sparrow and myna. And birds that make special types of nests, that are weaver bird and tailor bird. Birds that build nests in holes or hollows of the trees. Crimson, breasted barbet and woodpecker. Animals that have long, sharp, demonic teeth, that are tiger and lion. Birds with talons on their feet, eagle and hawk. Now birds with long beaks, egret and stork. Now see the next page. Now see the main 2. Look at the pictures of the bird's feet and write the use of each. Now see, these feet are to swim in water. It's a duck fish. Feet. This one to hold the branches. Now this one to catch the prey. What it hunts? It's a eagle or hawks. Now this one to walk on the land. Okay. And this type of feet to climb the tree. Now see the main tree. Look at the pictures of birds, beaks and write the use of each. Now see this beak, it's a parrot beak to tear and eat meat. Okay. This beak to make holes in the wood and tree trunks. It's a woodpecker beak. This one to suck nectar from flower. Okay. And this beak to find insects from mud and shallow water. This one to cut and eat many kinds of food. And this to break and crush seeds. It's a pigeon beak. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.